Hey guys, let me show you what wears out and causes coolant leaks on these modern BMW engines. So this is the water pipe or water neck. The one thing that happens to these is they'll get brittle and they'll crack. You can see this crack right here. So this one was leaking right out of this crack, so this got changed. But also, let me show you this. So see how this is all green in here? Well, this one has been compromised so much by the heat that I can take my fingernail, I can literally chip this away. Hopefully you're seeing that. Now, I mean, really, BMW? And this is the actual factory BMW part. Now, likewise on this is typically the cavity that breaks, and hopefully you're seeing that I can do the same thing with it. Now, this was not leaking yet. The car that these came off of had 66,000 miles on it, and you can see how it just crumbles versus up here where it's still you know, strong and rigid. Here you can just, again, take my fingernail and I can chip away at that. And I've seen these where after you've taken them off, this whole piece will be completely deteriorated to where the seal that goes around here just isn't enough anymore, and it'll start leaking out of there. So that's the problem. I put an aluminum oil filter housing on our car. A lot of people say, no, it's best to go back with BMW. Nope, it's not best to go back with BMW. If you go back with BMW, this is what you get. Go aftermarket aluminum, you're done for life. So anyway, the only thing off this that's worth keeping, if you wanted to keep anything, would be the cooler and maybe the cap right here. Just in case you ever need the cap, you'll have one. But the rest of this goes right in the trash. Anyway, just a quick video showing where these wear out and fail on these newer model BMWs. And just for comparison, I've got 140,000 miles on my GMC Sierra. I've never had one coolant leak at all, period. Rock solid. Anyway, come on BMW, step your game up. And if you guys decide to change these yourself, I'll post links in the description to videos on how to do that. It's not too bad of a job. You guys take care.